What's going on, everybody? It's Costa Mesa Dave. Check it out. I'm out front at Ideal Motors in Costa Mesa, California, and this is the perfect backdrop for today's video. You guys, today's video is all about Tesla glass, and as you can see, Ideal Motors has an amazing selection of the different Tesla models. That's why I chose to make this video here. If you guys are in the market for a pre-owned Tesla, please consider Ideal Motors. So I told you that today's video is all about the Tesla glass, the famous Tesla orange glass. You guys, this orange glass has caused so much confusion in the window film world. We get questions from people all the time. Some people call up and ask us, hey, can you remove this orange window film that's on the roof of my car? And then we also get people that, you know, they've purchased a pre-owned Tesla. Maybe the leases are all expiring. People are starting to buy used Teslas. They call us up and say, hey, I just got a new Tesla. I want that orange glass roof. What window film do you have that will give me that orange glass roof? Guys, I'm here to tell you that this orange glass roof has nothing to do with automotive window tinting. This is a special coating that comes on select models that Tesla has to offer. You cannot buy this coating aftermarket. You cannot buy a window film that looks like this. Unfortunately, you only get this coating if it comes on the vehicle from the factory. Now, I guess you could technically replace the glass and order a piece of glass with this special coating on it, but that's going to get pretty expensive. So many people call up asking us to remove it. So many people call us up asking for it. It's not something we can give you. You only see this orange reflective glass when it's wet outside, when the weather is dewy, or perhaps maybe it's been raining. Unfortunately, you cannot go to a window film installation shop and buy this look, and you cannot have this reflective coating removed from your vehicle. You guys, again, if you're in the market for a pre-owned Tesla, please consider Ideal Motors. If you're looking to have your windows tinted, please consider Signature Glass Tinting. You guys, we have tinted literally thousands and thousands of Teslas. We own the Tesla Model Y roof glass. We own the Tesla Model 3 rear window. Never do we do any heat shrinking on your actual car. We take pride in our work, and we make sure that your Tesla is done right. We use nothing but the absolute best window film. We hire nothing but the absolute best installers, and we back everything up with the absolute best warranty you're going to find in this business. Signature Glass Tinting is located in Costa Mesa, California. I don't care where you're located, East Coast, West Coast. I don't care if you're located in Frankfurt, Germany. If you have questions about automotive window tinting, if you have questions about tinting a Tesla, you guys contact us. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, or give us a call the old-fashioned way, 949-515-8468.